Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 SW in the GT line specification. This car comes with full LED headlights, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, speed limit recognition, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 17,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.